Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Black, parrot green, chocolate, orange, green, yellow. A. Say with me. A. A for ant. B. Say with me. B. B for butterfly. C. Say with me. C. C for car. D. Say with me. D. D for dog. E. Say with me. E. E for egg. F. Say with me. F. F for fish. G. Say with me. G. G for grape. H. Say with me. H. H for hand. I. Say with me. I. I for ice cream. J. Say with me. J. J for jackfruit. K. Say with me. K. K for kite. L. Say with me. L. L for lemon. M. Say with me. M. M for moon. N. Say with me. N. N for nut. O. Say with me. O. O for octopus. P. Say with me. P. P for potato. Q. Say with me. Q. Q for quilt. R. Say with me. R. R for rose. S. Say with me. S. S for star. T. Say with me. T. T for train. U. Say with me. U. U for uniform. V. Say with me. V. V for van. W. Say with me. W. W for watermelon. X. Say with me. X. X for X-ray. Y. Say with me. Y. Y for yard. Z. Say with me. Z. Z for zebra.
Subscribe for more videos.